Hey, what's up? I'm Sarah, and today I am talking about the Daily Goodie Box month of September's box. I will leave a link for all of the separate products in the description box below so you can check them out. I always do that for all of these box reviews so that you guys can easily access any of the products. And I also have a link to the website for Daily Goodie Box and their Facebook page, which is your probably best chance to get a box, because when you comment on their Facebook posts, you get a random chance at winning a box, and a lot of people do get boxes like that. I received these ones for review, so I like to usually try out some of the products, so you'll see I did try some of the things. Usually the edibles I'll try first, if not finish them. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is this hand cleanser. So I love the packaging, it's so sleek and clean and neat. This is the Trelloja hand cleanser, crafted in Santa Cruz, California. It is a natural hand sanitizer, so it's not like Purell, which can have some like harsh ingredients. This is 70% alcohol. It has terpenes, and it's a botanical blend to clean in your hands with aloe and soothing dry skin. So it has a bunch of these different terpenes, which are supposed to be naturally antibacterial, like lavender, eucalyptus, lemon, and rosemary. And it's literally just alcohol and then these oils, the eucalyptus oil, lavender oil, and lemon oil, and alcohol. So it doesn't need any extra added ingredients that a lot of these brands do as fillers. So this is pure stuff, just alcohol and healthy oils. Okay, moving on. Also got, so this is one of the products that I actually tried. When I first saw this, I was kind of like, oh great, because I've tried RawRev Glow, that's the brand. I've tried their bars before, but this one was actually surprisingly pretty good. So this is the crunchy peanut butter and sea salt. It has 11 grams of protein, 13 grams of fiber with only 2 grams of sugar. And it actually kind of just tasted like you were eating peanuts. It's not sweet at all. It's not salty. It was just honestly tasted like you were eating kind of like chewy peanut. And I think the reason why this one was good was because it has simpler ingredients and it doesn't have the whey protein that the other bars have. So I actually liked this one and think that RawRev Glow is not as bad as I thought they were before. So I recommend that flavor specifically for the RawRev Glow bars. Okay. And I also got another energy snack bar. This is from the brand Rickaroons, Eat, Win, and Repeat. So this is the Mint to Be super cute mint double chocolate bar. It's USDA organic and non-GMO. So the ingredients are super duper clean because it is paleo and certified gluten-free and vegan. So it just has coconut, dark chocolate. The chocolate is sweetened with coconut nectar, not cane sugar, which is fantastic. And it has real vanilla beans in it and real peppermint flavor. So this is what the bar looks like. And you can see little coconut shreds. It definitely has a coconut flavor. It smells just like this like mint stuff that I make at home, minus the coconut. I do wish that there was a little bit less of a coconut flavor, but it is a Rickaroon. It's supposed to be like a coconut macaroon, so obviously it's gonna have coconut flavor. Moving on, more food items, love it. So this is the Kombucha. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if it's Ko or Koi, but it is kombucha and it's USDA organic. This is this flavor strawberry lemonade. If you've never had kombucha, it's basically fermented tea, black tea, green tea. And oh, this has like oil on it from the bar. That's the thing, RawRev Glow, like it like leaks through the packaging. So this has like oil all over it, gross. Yeah, but this is organic kombucha. It is made with purified water, black tea, sugar, and cultures, and then it actually has strawberry puree in it. It does have erythritol to make it sweet, which I preferred if it didn't, and the mysterious natural flavors. But yeah, it's a nice, nice beverage. Ugh, this stuff is really oily. I'm like rubbing it into my hands. Okay, moving on. So I got, everything has oil on it. This is gross. Oh my God. Okay, so this is the Cabela. Check out this packaging. This is like a super luminescent face mask. The brand is Cabela. It's a professional illuminating rose quartz glitter peel off mask. So you just put it on and it's supposed to make your skin feel nice and smooth and glowy. And the actual mask itself is pink and super glittery. So the packaging is glittery and the mask is glittery. It has rose quartz, organic rose water, gold powder, and sodium hyaluronate. Yeah. So it's supposed to help your skin glow. The rose quartz powder helps remove dead skin cells, while its light reflective crystals soften the appearance of flaws and boost radiance. Okay. I also got this Essential Oxygen Brushing Rinse. I've gotten this before in Daily Goodie Box. This stuff is not super minty. I wish it was a little bit mintier. It's wintergreen. It never really makes my teeth feel that clean, gotta be honest with you. It's organic, non-GMO, completely healthy ingredients such as aloe, water, wintergreen oil, some xanthan gum, peppermint oil. Like it's got great ingredients. However, it doesn't really work that well for me. Okay, I also got this. Is an interesting product. So this is the EyePromise Screen Shield Teen. So this is supposed to defend the eyes against the effects of screen time. There's 30 chewable tablets in here. It's fruit punch flavor. It says that it's like doctor approved, but like honestly, I don't know. This looks a little sketchy to me. Not gonna lie. Doctor recommended, but like what doctor? It's made with 100% natural zeaxanthin, so that's supposed to be the eye protecting quality. It also has vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc, which of course is great for your skin, good for your eyes. And the zeaxanthin comes from paprika fruit extract, and the lutein comes from marigold flower extract. I mean, it has a pretty short ingredient list, but still, I'm like a little skeptical because it is a random supplement. But they did send a whole bottle of it. Okay, then I think I have 2 more items in here. Oh, I have pennies in here, which is random. So these are 2 bags of freshly roasted coffee beans. It's the brand Monkey Business, and this one is Shrenglia. They're actually both Kopi Luwak. I think that's the brand, Kopi Luwak. No, that's a type of bean. Okay, so I don't know why they have, it looks like a different brand name, but they both are Kopi Luwak coffee beans that are freshly roasted. So you pour this into like a Keurig with a filter, and you can make fresh coffee. It's supposed to have cinnamon, caramel, and chocolate hints, and it's a product of Indonesia. The Kopi Luwak beans are from Indonesia. Coffee comes from Asian palm civet, which is a tree-living creature indigenous to Indonesia. They are original coffee connoisseur and only select the ripest, tastiest coffee beans. These beans pass through whole, and they're collected, thoroughly cleaned, and then roasted for you to enjoy with the most luxurious cup of coffee. Yeah, I'm not really that much of a fan of coffee, but anyway, these look fancy, and I'm gonna have some of my coffee lovers that I know try it out. Okay, that was everything inside the box. As usual, they always put little coupons and like brand advertisement papers in here, paper clipped together, nice and neat. All right, so that was everything for September. I can't believe it's already almost October. 2020 has just gone by crazy fast. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.